Hello and welcome to my channel. Welcome to the DigitalBlackMagic channel. My name is Christoph and today I'm going to unbox a Blu-ray disc writer. This writer is going to be used to create backups of my YouTube video productions. Of course, it's not an ideal solution, but the YouTube data I created is never going to be changed again. So this backup can be seen as an archive. I'm not believing in the everlasting DVD or CD, therefore Blu-ray. But for a few years the data should be safe. Furthermore, it's easy for me to carry the discs around. Therefore, it's an ideal solution for the offsite backup. You should have an offsite copy of your data at any time. With this out of the way, let's have a look at the box. The box says the system requirements are Windows XP and above. So Windows 7, 8 and 10 should be fine for now. The writer supports M-discs. M-discs are supposed to last longer than usual Blu-ray discs. Therefore, they are intended to be an archive. This Blu-ray writer supports Blu-ray discs XL. The capacity of these discs is 128 gigabytes compared to the normal standard 25 gigabytes. It has several modes that should make a home theater experience very smooth. One is a silent mode for the player itself. It can, according to the box, play Blu-ray 3D. Of course, you would need a projector or some other device that could actually display 3D. And on top of it, it can upscale your DVDs to a better quality. In my use case scenario, this doesn't matter anyways. Other than that, this is just a fancy box. So let's have a look inside. I'm putting it carefully down. Inside the box we find the drive itself, well packed. It's the usual 5¼ inch form factor, which can sit in a usual bay in your computer's case. As a comparison, this DVD writer here is one of a laptop. They are called Slimline. The writer itself has the latest serialator standards, so power and data are the usual connections for this kind of drive. This paper goes away, and here are some other things which were in the box. First, there's a power cable. If you wanted to install that one in an older system, you have an adapter for the SATA power and a source for the Molex connector, which is the old standard from, let's say, 10 years ago. Thanks for including that. If you had an older system, that would come in handy. The other thing is, you get an SATA data cable to connect the drive to your mainboard, which is great because that makes setup easy. You don't need to worry of having one laying around or not. They included screws, so you are ready to set up, because everything you need to set up the drive is included in the box. On top of this, they include a quick start guide which illustrates how to actually install the drive in your system. Then we get a software which is required because Windows 10 does not offer the playback of Blu-ray discs. So if you wanted to use this drive as a home theater, you would need that software. There is warranty information included in the box, as well as a disposal guide. So you can't put that away. This needs to be recycled and not put in the garbage at landfill. That's about it regarding this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please leave a like. Consider subscribing my channel. And wait for the next video in which I will install the drive into my system. Thanks again for watching, and goodbye.